What's up, YouTube? So in today's video, I am going to be replacing the low pressure line for the AC system on a 2009 Dodge Ram 1500 with the 5.7 liter Hemi. The reason I'm changing this out is because on mine, my oil dipstick, the bolt that holds it against the engine came off, and so the oil dipstick leaned over towards this line and basically rubbed a hole in that line, causing me to lose all the oil and stuff freon, and so my AC is blowing hot, and so I'm replacing it. And today I'm going to show you guys how to do that. Some of the tools you'll need obviously is a new hose, a 10 millimeter, a 13 ratchet flathead screwdriver, and because we're changing out a part in the AC system, the AC compressor takes that 46 oil. Because we're changing part of it, you're going to be losing some oil.
Hey guys, I do have affiliate links in the description for the products I used in this video, so go ahead and check those out.
I decided to go with this brand because it has the UV dye in it, and that way it's a lot easier for me once I install the new line to check with the black light to see if there's any leaks anywhere in the system, if I installed anything wrong or no rings pinched or anything. That dye will show up with the black light. Oh, and before I really get into it, if you're just changing this out and your system is charged, obviously you want to discharge it. But because mine has a hole in it, obviously there's no pressure or anything in there, so I don't have to worry about that. But yeah, listen to that. That's a 10 millimeter, and obviously you want to follow your hose all the way down into your compressor. Down here where this line goes down, you want to follow it, and down there on that end it's a 13 millimeter nut. Obviously I took it off to try to save some time. And then also you have two clips that hold the lines together. If you can see here, it's just a matter of you prying this up, this part up, and this will just swing down. Then you can take your hose off. There'll be another one down in there. It's a little hard to get to, but it's doable. I took it off. Once you do that, you're basically ready to go. But I'll get back at you guys so I can get this airbox out of the way and then give you guys a better look. Alright guys, so I took the airbox out of the way. As you can see, there's a lot more access, and you'd be able to get to that bolt way easier. But anyways, I loosened everything, so this line is ready to come off. There it goes. Simple as that. Take the bolt out, you pull it out. And sorry for the air noise, guys. Sorry, it's a little windy outside. Like I said, I already loosened this end, so just pull it out, and there's your hose. Like I said, here's the that end where it was rubbing. As you guys can see, there's a hole, and so to put it all back together is the same way as you took it off. Just put the new hose in over there, screw in your 10, get your hose back in your clamps down to the bottom, where obviously it's hard to see, but like I said, it's doable. Put it in there again, 13 millimeter, tighten that up, make sure everything's snug before you put your airbox in. we'll fill the new hose compressor with some of that oil. We'll run the AC and check it, recharge it, and make sure your clutch for your compressors are spinning, everything. Make sure your AC is running, and I'll show you guys that. Let me just put this new line in, and I'll get back with you guys. Okay, guys, so we got everything tightened up. I got my laser pointer so I can show you guys a little easier. Again, you got your 10 millimeter nut there. That's tightened up. And here is the other side that I was telling you guys. Again, just follow your line down and into the compressor. If it'll focus, there is your other end. And there is your 13 millimeter nut right there. I'll use my laser, but apparently that makes a glare. So, but yeah. So once all that's done, everything's tightened up. Next thing you want to do is go ahead and put some oil again. That's what I'm using. You guys can go to this website here, and it'll tell you what kind of oil your vehicle uses. Obviously, if you're doing the and there's that. Just a pause. You can pause there, take a picture of that, get to the website. But obviously, if you guys are here for the Dodge Ram, then you're probably using that same oil. Anyways, like I said, next thing you want to do is fill up your put some oil back in there, and you'll do that by hooking up to your same place you refill your coolant, your Freon, whatever. And for that, I have this tool here where you put some of that oil into it, and has the end like those AC rechargeables, and you just open the valve that'll go into the line. And so you want to put oil in to the system before you recharge it, because like right now it's not under any pressure, so you won't have any of that oil will just spew out everywhere, or spray in your face, or you just have it in the line ready to go. And once you recharge your system, the compressor will start pushing all that oil and Freon and everything throughout the whole system, and that's when you'll check for any leaks. So I'm going to fill that up. I would show you guys, but I don't have a tripod, and holding this and with the engine noise and stuff, it's not going to work out. So let me do that real quick, and I'll get back to you guys. Alright guys, so I finished putting in the oil. Here's that tool I'm showing you guys. There's a valve, obviously I filled it. So then you just want to shut off your ball valve and remove your tool. Alright, so once you remove your tool, you want to hook up your 134 AC recharge refrigerant. As you guys can tell, mine is empty. It got 0 psi. Obviously my fan clutch is not spinning. It's not spinning. If it'll focus, as you can see, it's not spinning. So there is no pressure in the line. But as soon as I put some of that refrigerant in, it should start spinning, and you'll hear it as soon as I put some in there. Obviously, I have the E-fan, electric fan, and that'll kick on once the fan clutch starts going off. So, like I said, 0 psi, and let's put some in there. Okay, guys, so we started putting some refrigerant in there. 25 psi as of right now. You want to be in between 25 and 50. I go up to 40. But my fan's on, and my clutch fan is spinning out, as you guys can see, and my AC is blowing cold. So my AC is cold. So what we want to do now is just check for any leaks. We'll turn the slide off, and we'll bust out our black light, and we want to look for any neon green, which would indicate that we have a leak. Check all our lines again. We only had the 2 points where it could have leaked was from that bolt over there on the firewall, and on the compressor side, which is, give me 1 second, which would be down here. You guys can see that hose. And so that you guys don't think that I am bullshitting you about what it's supposed to look like, here is the oil, and here it is with the black light on it. Obviously you can see it shines bright green. And so if we had any leaks, you would obviously see it, which you don't, which means this repair is done, and it's just a matter of refilling the AC. But obviously I'm not going to show you guys that, because you guys came here for the repair on the hose, not to see me refill my refrigerant. So thank you guys. Sorry it got a little dark on me, but you guys get the idea. Like, comment, subscribe, and if you guys have any questions, I'll try to answer them for you. So with that, I'll leave you guys, and take care.